Okay, so to save time, I already did one eye off camera. My eyebrows are done and my eyes are primed, of course. I'm gonna put everything I used down below. So let's just jump into doing the other eye. Okay, so I wanted this look to be very blue, but still kind of like with a pop. So that's why I did the turquoise under eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take Zaz, which is that cream color, at the bottom of the palette, and I'm gonna put that all over my brow bone and down into my crease. And I'm gonna use my Morphe 504 brush to do this. Next, I'm going to take Kana, which is right next to it, and it's that taupey color. And I'm going to put that in my crease as well and blend it up. And I'm really going to work this color in my inner crease right here. Work it up towards your brow. I'm going to take some more to really build it up. Okay, next I'm going to take Adora, which is this color right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease as well. Just a lot of crease colors. This one's going to warm it up. Got some more. Alright, now I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo pencil in the color Cobalt, which it looks like that. I'm going to put that all over my lid and my bottom lid as well. I'm going to connect the two. Just like that. Now I'm going to take a brush and just blend it out. I'm just using this little flat shader brush by Morphe, and it's a 421. I'm going to go ahead and work out that color. And I'm going to blend this out because that blue color is going to be under my wing. You could put a little bit more product if you like. Alrighty then, now that I got that on, I'm gonna go ahead and take out my Norvina Volume 1 collection from Anastasia. And I'm gonna take this blue color called D4 right there. I'm gonna pack that all over my lid with a large shading brush from Sonia Kashuk. And I picked this up in Target, and it just looks like that. And I'm going to put that all over just my top lid because that turquoise color is going to go on the bottom. Alright, now that I got all that on, I'm going to take this little tiny blender. It's a 506 Morphe brush. And I'm going to use some more of that D4 blue color. And I'm just going to put it in my crease and blend it out a little bit. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to take this blender right here by Sonia Kashuk. It just looks like this. It's a very thin blending brush, and I'm gonna dip that into my Warrior 2 palette. And the color's name is Jamada, so it's gonna be that color right there. It's like a sienna. So I'm gonna load up my brush and start working that into my crease to really darken it up and bring it upwards towards my brow. So I'm trying not to put it on top of the blue, because what happens is if you're trying to combine the two matte colors, the blue might start to look patchy in some areas. So I'm gonna put it above like this, like right on the outline, and then I'm gonna work it up, and then I'm gonna go back with the blue later on to just fill in any patchiness that might have occurred, because for some reason I noticed that this particular blue color does become patchy if I try to blend it too much. And sometimes you want to go ahead and clean off your brush because you don't want that blue to transfer. I'm just working it in. Once you got it about there, you could go ahead and switch your brush. I'm going to go back to that 504 brush, and I'm just going to blend the edges. I'm going to go back in with some of that blue color with the tiny blending brush and darken it up. I'm just like slightly dragging it up. And then I'm just like using tapping motions to try to bring that blue up. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with that skinny blending brush into Jamada and build up the color even more. Now I'm gonna go back into Dora, put that on my 504, and put it right above like that. Just like that. Next, I'm gonna take my Milani color in Bella Teal, and it's metallic eyeshadow. Looks like this. And I'm gonna take this tiny Real Techniques brush, and it's just a small shading brush. And I'm gonna start packing that on my bottom. I'm gonna drag that out. Actually, I want to put some of this right here. I'm going to put this in the first third of my eye. like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my eyeliner. All right, so now that I have my eyeliner on, I'm gonna go ahead and take a black eyeliner pencil, and this is my Maybelline Lasting Drama waterproof gel pencil in the color Sleek Onyx. So it looks like that, and I'm just gonna go ahead and tightline and line my waterline as well. The lashes I'm going to put on are by Kiss, and they're called Lash Couture Chiffon lashes, and they just look like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and put on my mascara, which is going to be my Maybelline Total Temptations mascara, which looks like that. Okay, so I am back, and I'm going to jump into my face. I'm just going to take a makeup wipe real quick and clean off any eyeshadow that might have fallen off on my cheek. All right, let's try that down. So I'm gonna use my Benefit Professional primer set. Face is still wet. And it just looks like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that all over my face, mainly focusing in the areas that my pores are very, very large, which is my nose, my cheeks, and my chin. Alright, now that that is all done, I'm gonna move into my foundation, which is going to be my L'Oreal, I'm sorry, not L'Oreal, my Anastasia Luminous Foundation in the color 335W. So it looks like this. Roll up my sleeves, and I'm gonna put that on with my Real Techniques sponge. So I use 3 pumps. That might be a little too much, but it's good for me. I'm gonna start off by going around my eyebrows. Okay, then I'm just gonna dip my sponge into it. Alright, now I'm gonna conceal using my Boing Cakeless Concealer by Benefit, and it's the little one that looks like a pencil, and this is in the color number 3. Alright, I'm just going to blend all that out. Okay, now that all of that's on, I'm going to go ahead and set it with my Anastasia Loose Setting Powder in the color Vanilla. And it just looks like that. I'm just going to go ahead and use my sponge. And it is still a little wet. Alright, and then for the rest of my face, I'm going to use my Rimmel Stay Matte Translucent Powder. And this is just a Sonia Kashuk large powder brush. It came in a set a long time ago, so I'm pretty sure it's discontinued. The smaller brush I used to go around my eyebrows with my foundation, that was a Real Technique brush, and it is a pointed foundation brush. That's what I used to go around my eyebrows. Alright, now I'm just going to contour my face with my Black Radiance Honey Amber color right here. And I'm going to use my Morphe R10 brush for that. I'm going to contour my nose, and I'm going to use my Morphe 572 brush, which is like this, and it's perfect for contouring. I'm going to take some more of that powder. and I'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, so I dusted off all of my powder. Now I'm going to move on to blush. I'm going to use my Morphe M530 brush to put on my Milani Romantic Rose Powder Blush, which looks like this. Now for my highlight, I'm going to use my Anastasia So Hollywood loose highlighter. So it comes in a little jar. Take a little bit on my brush, and then I'm using the Morphe 510 brush. I'm just going to put it here. I'm doing it now, and then I'm going to do it again after I put on my setting spray to make it more intense. So right now it's just like a subtle highlight, and I want it to be blinding. Alright, and for my inner corner and my nose, I'm going to use my Morphe E36 brush, which is a tiny one. I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my Anastasia Dewy Set Setting Spray. This is the one that looks like glitter. Alright, I'm going to let that dry down just a little bit. And then I'm going to put on the highlighter once again on my cheekbones. Alright, for my lips, I'm going to use my NYX chocolate lip pencil. Yeah, so it looks like this. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. Alright, then I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick in the color Give Me Mocha. It looks like this. Alright, that's it for the face. I'm going to go ahead and do my hair. Alright, so my hair is finished and this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It came out really cute. If you guys enjoyed it, please give this video a big fat thumbs up, and if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. Let me give you guys a little bit of a close-up. And I have to head out the door.